We will do some print testing on both these printers. First, we will give a black and white print on HP 1020 Plus. You will be shocked at some marks and lines on the print. Don't worry, it is due to an older toner inside it. Now we will give a black and white print on Epson L130. You see the paper is getting in very slowly compared to laser printer. The head is moving. So you realize the difference between the two printers. One is just rolling out a sheet, that is laser printer, and the other is taking its time moving its head over a sheet. That's how inkjet printers work. Even with high-end inkjet printer, it is the same way. Head should move. Speed may increase probably with bigger heads and more nozzles, but that's it. We have kept both the printouts side by side so that you get to compare. We are now replacing the toner with new one. Now we will give print with new toner and let's see. Here is the printout. It is neat and crisp. Let's compare it with the one which we gave with old toner, which was refilled for like 8 times. We can see those dots and lines. It is due to the damage to drum, blade and other rollers inside the toner. We will explain about these things when we make video on toner refilling. Now we will just look at the difference in print quality. If your printer is printing neatly with new toner, then it's working fine. So I am happy with my 5 years old laser printer. And that third page is the one which we gave with inkjet printer. Now I will reveal one more thing. Actually, I have set my inkjet printer's quality at maximum level. Now I will keep it to standard level, which is bit lower level. By changing these levels, we are actually compromising speed with quality and vice versa. These things I will explain when we do a short video on Epson L130 maintenance. Now you are seeing that the printer is lot quicker, the head is moving faster, but the problem is the head and nozzles are unable to print all the matter and we have lost some print. This printer is now 6 years old, hence you need to make these adjustments and go easy with it. As I said, inkjet printers will work fine for 2 to 3 years at least if you maintain it properly with original ink. During those initial years, you can definitely print in standard mode at quicker speed. You can see the difference when we give it in slow mode. Of course, this much variation happens only gradually over the years as we keep printing more and more and head getting worn out. We are running a commercial shop, so we print a lot. For home users, it may take a lot more time to arrive at this point. Enough of quality test, now we will do some speed testing. Let's print 10 pages with both these printers. We will keep a stopwatch. I will first give the command to inkjet printer. Poor chap, it is slow, so let's give some advantage to it. So I gave 10 pages print with both the printers. Let's check the speed. Both have started their job. The laser printer has already rolled out one page, while Inkjet is still halfway through. We can clearly see the difference in speed. Of course, if we keep Inkjet speed in standard mode, it can be a bit more quicker, but definitely it can't match the speed of laser printer. Let's not be too serious with the stopwatch. We are not trying to find out accurate results here. We are just making some comparison. Approximately at around 1 minute mark, HP1020 Plus has finished printing 10 pages, but actually its speed is 14 or 15 pages per minute, so we probably missed some seconds while giving commands. One thing is sure, a laser printer will never lose its speed throughout its life, only quality can come down a bit. Even that can be restored by changing the components. Epson is still printing, but its rated speed is 27 ppm, that is pages per minute, for text black and white print, which is almost twice that of HP 1020 Plus. Probably it may run at that speed for this kind of text print. We are giving here a simple black and white text in standard mode. Actually, inkjet printer speed changes based on content in the print. The more the content, the more time it takes. The lesser the content, that is lesser lines to print, it will take lesser time. One should give this high setting on inkjet printer only when a HD color print is given on a glossy sheet. But we are unfortunately using this kind of setting for printing a simple text. Thankfully, we have enough printers to print in quick times, so we will bear this printer speed as we use it for specific purpose and during specific times. Okay, it is around 3 minutes now and it seems to have printed 10 pages completely now. Let's keep both the printouts side by side. Left one is laser print and to the right is inkjet print. We are now zooming and looking at the print accuracy. We can make out the texts are much sharper in laser prints while inkjets are slightly distorted. But that's manageable for home purpose. That's why professionals for printing any kind of reports will always go with laser printer.